Hi, it's Carrie with Truth Treatment Systems, and today I'm excited to introduce you to Infuze Airbrush. This is our new oxygen infusion device, and we intentionally designed this to go hand in hand with our Drench facial serums. For those of you that are familiar with them from your back bar, you know how wonderful it is to work with them and see the immediate hydration increase, the plumpness, and of course that magical truth glow. So what this actually does is it enhances the penetration and absorbability. And so you can use it in your treatment room, but also your clients can also use it at home just as a quick pick-me-up, or just an enhancement before a big event, or even as a post-care routine where they may feel like they need further hydration. You can assist them in understanding this. We provide all instructions and a protocol also. So I'm gonna go through first what's in the components of the box and how to put this together, because it's pretty important. All right, first you're gonna find your user manual. This is a lot of the practical information that I'm going through right now, but if questions arise, I always recommend referring back to this and just hanging on to it. So then you have the actual Infuze base. And this you'll find this is your power and speed button, which I'll demonstrate for you shortly, and also where your charging port is located. Then you have a charging cable. Look at that. All you have to do is plug this in and attach it to one of your USB blocks and charge it. The recommended charging time for a full charge is 1 hour and 45 minutes. And with all rechargeable devices, I don't personally recommend that you leave them charging because the battery can deplete over time. So charge it, use it, and then charge it as it needs, okay?